know what she said to me? She said, you're a player, aren't you? And I bet you got hoes.
Dude.
I said, you don't know me like that. I just go with the flow. She said, you can't fool me like that. You're gonna leave me on red.